Welcome to video tutorial series by HostGatorDiscounts.com. This video will explain how to install Nucleus in HostGator cPanel Fantastico. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your cPanel by accessing at yourdomain.com/cPanel. Step 2. Enter your username and password. Step 3. Enter to the Fantastico installer by clicking on the Fantastico Deluxe icon from the Software Services box of your cPanel. Step 4. Fantastico panel will appear. Select Nucleus under Blogs from sidebar menu to install Nucleus. Step 5. Click on New Installation link from the page. Step 6. Provide information about installation location, admin access data, base configuration, and click Install Nucleus button. Step 7. This page will show the summary about installation. Just click Finish Installation to proceed. Step 8. Congratulations! You have installed Nucleus on your domain. Step 9. Visit your site, and you have all done. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out HostGatorDiscounts.com for more tutorial videos and HostGator coupons.